Hello guys, I'm here and I'm gonna do a jelly bean taste test. As you can see right there. So these are good flavors, not being boozled. So I think this is like cherry or some sort. 3, 2, 1. Not bad. I think it is cherry. Okay, I see different colors and stuff. Okay. Banana. I don't like banana. 3, 2. That's gross. If you like banana, this is a dream. But it's so nasty. Ugh. Okay. Orange. Pretty good. It's sour. It's okay. Not that bad. The best one is cherry. Oh, this one's a dark cherry. So I'm gonna compare it. See, it's a little bit darker. This one is more sour, I think. Yeah. Let's try the yellow one, which is lemon flavored. Oh, that one is the best one. Wow. Well, I don't even like lemon, but you have to try this one. Oh my god. Okay. I hate this one, but I'm still gonna do it. It's like the worst flavor there is. Even worse than being boozled. Like, it's worse than skunk. Not worse than barf though. The peach one is terrible. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Pass by. Okay. Now this is lime. This is a pretty decent one. I think this is long clipping. I don't know why. These are good flavors. But it's like lawn. It's like grass. It's like a vegetable. Yeah, that's definitely long clipping. I don't know. They may have messed the thing up. Let's get a cherry. Island Punch. Okay. Okay. That is really nasty. I might need to switch this one out. If I vomit, I don't want it to be on camera. Okay. No. This is worse than barf. And maybe not worse than rotten egg, but this is one of the worst ones there can be. And if you like this one, I don't know what's wrong with you, but okay. I'm gonna start with this. Oh yeah, and I got this one. Okay, so I got 4 more to taste. So first of all, that's not the bad one. This is juicy pear. It's kind of it's salty. It reminds me of boogers. Okay. That one's not salty yet because I ate the burger one before and I thought it was pear. Yeah. Now, I think this is like blue raspberry. It sounds not bad. Oh my god. Dude, please tell me there's another one. No. There is no more. Okay, yeah, there's one more. Not bad. Now this one I don't like. This is not the really bad one. Okay. Coconut. Oh no, I look weird out in the glass. Okay. That one is okay. Now, this one is chocolate chip mint. It is one of the worst ones there can be in history. It's a little bit darker than that one, but let's go ahead and eat it. Not bad. Okay, I hate the lime one. This is the bad one. Okay, 3. I'm gonna vomit. So I need to get a paper from over here. No, wait, not that one. There you go. 3, 2. I don't want to chew it. I have to spit that one out. Cherry or lime, whatever. Two combined. Cherry. I don't care which one I get. Okay, not bad. I didn't say not bad. Not bad, but yeah, I'm gonna go throw this away. Back and overall, I think jelly beans are pretty decent.